Welcome. In this short video, we'll walk you through adding your own community map layers in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. Let's get started. From your community profile, you are able to add your community's map layers. Simply go to the title bar and click the Add Layers button on the right side. The Community Map Layers window will open, containing a table of your layers. To add a new layer, click on the Add New Layer button in the upper right corner. A new row will appear on the table. First, enter your service URL. Next, give your layer a name. Then select the topic that your layer best fits within. Click the Save button to complete. To edit the community layer, select the Edit button. To delete a layer, click the Remove button on that layer's row. Your layer will now be available in the Layer Picker in the Flood Risk Management map. Select the Community Profile group, then find and select your jurisdiction to toggle your newly added community layer on and off in the map. To toggle layers, select the eye symbol next to the relevant layer. All of our community added layers will appear in this group. That's it. You've just learned how to add your community map layers in the NC Flood Resiliency Blueprint tool. For more training videos, visit us at youtube.com/@ncdeq.